Hi guys, in this video we will see how to download files and images, all files and images on your OneNote app. Open OneNote app in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app. You can easily download all files and images of your OneNote app. Here from the top menu bar, go to File. From the top left corner, click on Files, click on More. Here choose Options. Here from the left side of menu, go to Sync. Thereafter go to right side, and here you will find download all files and images. Turn this on to automatically download all files and images for all pages in your notebooks. Make the check against this option. After selecting this, your files and images will automatically downloaded. You can also make the check against sync notebooks automatically and click on OK from the bottom right corner. Now your files and pages, images will automatically downloaded to your OneDrive folder.